Welcome to our speaker highlights for the Attorneys Resource Conference. My name is Jamie Gary. I am the principal of Upvision Consulting, LLC, a legal nurse business in Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan. I am here to welcome today Dr. Chiodo. He is one of our presenters at the Attorneys Resource Conference, taking place July 31st through August 2nd, 2024 at Treetops Resort in Gaylord, Michigan. This conference is designed to provide a dynamic and relaxing platform for attorneys, legal professionals, and healthcare professionals to learn and network together in a relaxed setting. To learn more and to book your seat, please visit our conference website at attorneysconference.com. If you're interested in becoming a sponsor or vending at the event, those opportunities are also available for you there. So I would like to welcome now Dr. Chiodo. Am I saying that right?
Yes, ma'am. Close
I
enough.
am. Okay, welcome. Dr. Chiodo comes to us as a practicing physician and a practicing attorney. He has an extensive and impressive background, and I would love for viewers to take time to go to the conference website at attorneysconference.com to read all about him. He is going to be presenting on the topic of medical causation at the Attorneys Resource Conference, and I'm excited to bring him to you as a presenter this year. Dr. Chiodo, can you share with us a little bit about what you're going to present and what you're hoping to achieve in your presentation for the viewers?
Yes. Most doctors are most doctors are trained to diagnose and treat diseases, but not to figure out if the disease is caused by some occupational or environmental exposure. That is, most doctors are trained to be able to diagnose a ruptured or cervical or lumbar disc, but not to figure out if the forces from a car accident, low-speed car accident, caused that disc herniation, or to determine whether or not somebody's lung problems were due to the claimed air toxins in the air. What I'm going to present is how medical causation is properly determined, but also very importantly, how the practicing attorney can demonstrate to a jury and a judge what the proper process is and be able to counter an expert on the other side that is not using the proper process.
It sounds like a very interesting presentation and one that we are not going to want to miss. So I want to thank you for joining us. Thank you for giving your time to the Attorneys Resource Conference and to presenting to attorneys and medical professionals July 31st through August 2nd. And for the viewers out there, remember to log on to attorneysconference.com and book your seat now. Thank you.